Hello and welcome back to our new podcast series. So, again, I will be sharing my experiences as a solo female traveler, the challenges that I face as a solo female traveler. Also, my journey with She Walking. It's going to be 5 years this July. So, we are also going to talk about that. And then we'll talk about India a little bit. Like really nice cities to visit, my favorite city, and all of those things. So, yes, let's get right onto it. And I hope you enjoy the series of our podcast. And right now, we are sitting in Manyari in Sanj village, Sanj Valley, and Manyari is a village in the valley. And if you go down from Manyari, then there is Diori. So this is our view right now, pretty gorgeous, right? And if you go down, so you see those houses down there, that is Diori or Diohari. So this is where we are, and now we're gonna start recording our episodes. I was hoping that we could do it with this view somehow, but no, lighting would not work. Okay, let's begin.